Upgrading your home with new windows is an exciting step, especially in the villages where many homeowners value comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Preparing your home properly before the installation day ensures the process goes smoothly, protects your property, and allows installers to complete the job quickly and efficiently. Here's a practical guide to help you get ready. Clear the work areas. The first step in preparing for window installation is to create easy access for your installers. Move furniture, decorations, and any fragile items away from the windows. This includes lamps, side tables, or plants that could be in the way. If you have heavy furniture that's difficult to move, ask the installation team if they can assist or protect it with coverings. By giving the crew plenty of space, you reduce the risk of accidents and allow them to focus on their work. Protect your belongings. Window installation can involve dust, debris, and even vibrations that affect nearby items. Cover furniture, flooring, and electronics with drop cloths or sheets to keep them clean. Take down curtains, blinds, and other window treatments ahead of time. It's also smart to remove wall art, framed photos, or shelving located near the installation areas. This simple preparation minimizes cleanup and keeps your belongings safe. Ensure outdoor accessibility. Installers will often need to work both inside and outside your home. Make sure walkways, driveways, and yard spaces near the windows are clear. Trim back bushes, shrubs, or tree branches that block access. If you live in a villa or patio-style home in the villages, check that fences or gates are unlocked so the crew can move materials easily. Good outdoor access saves time and helps the project run smoothly. Think about pets and family members. Window installation can be noisy and disruptive. For pets, consider arranging a safe space in another room or even having them stay with a neighbor or pet sitter for the day. This prevents stress for your furry friends and keeps them safely out of the installer's way. If you have children, plan activities away from the work areas to avoid distractions or hazards. Address security and alarms. Many homes in the villages are equipped with window alarms as part of a home security system. Be sure to disable or temporarily disconnect these before installation begins. After the work is complete, you can reconnect the system or schedule a technician to adjust sensors for your new windows. This prevents false alarms and ensures your home remains secure. Communicate with your installers. Good communication is key. Confirm the installation date, arrival time, and expected duration of the project with your window company. Ask whether you need to prepare anything specific, such as providing power outlets or clearing a staging area for supplies. Sharing any special concerns, like protecting landscaping, preserving shutters, or working around WA guidelines, ensures your installers can respect your needs. Plan for cleanup. Most professional installers will handle debris removal, but it's wise to clarify this before the project begins. Ask if old windows, frames, and packaging materials will be hauled away or if you'll need to arrange disposal. In the villages, where community standards are important, a clean and tidy property after installation will help you avoid unnecessary hassle. Final walkthrough. Once installation is complete, take time to do a walkthrough with the crew leader. Check that the windows open and close smoothly, that seals are tight, and that no damage was done to your walls or trim. This is also a great moment to ask about maintenance tips, warranty information, and cleaning instructions to keep your new windows in excellent shape. The bottom line: preparing your home for window installation in the villages is all about planning ahead. By clearing space, protecting your belongings, and coordinating with your installation team, you make the process easier and stress-free. With the right preparation, you'll soon enjoy the comfort, beauty, and efficiency of your new windows, without unnecessary headaches on installation day.